Welcome to Cash the Future, where we explore the exciting world of financial growth. Hi there! If you've ever faced financial challenges or wondered how to build your income from scratch, you're not alone and you're in the right place. I've spent over 20 years exploring the ups and downs of trading and online income streams. I've made mistakes, plenty of them, but those mistakes taught me valuable lessons. Today, I'm turning those lessons into opportunities, and I want you to join me on this journey.
This channel isn't about overnight success stories or only showing the wins after they happen. It's about transparency, growth, and real strategies, shared step by step. From trading futures, stocks, and options to building online passive income streams. I'll document it all.
Together, we'll explore how to turn challenges into stepping stones for financial freedom. And as this channel grows from 0 subscribers to infinity, you'll see the transformation unfold in real time. Subscribe now, hit the bell icon, and let's build a brighter financial future together. And don't forget, drop your comments below if there's something specific you'd like to learn. Your input will shape this journey too. Let's cash the future.